Looking to understand everything about the new Video Summarize, AI video chat software? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, especially if you're considering adding it to your arsenal. Stay tuned till the end because there's a major feature you won't want to miss that could completely change how you approach video chat interactions. Plus, you can try this software for free using the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, Video Summarize. AI video chat is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their communication with AI during video chats. It uses advanced AI technology to summarize conversations and provide context-based insights in real time. That means after each call, it generates a concise summary of key points discussed, which is a huge time saver if you're managing multiple meetings or client calls. Another key feature, it's incredibly intuitive. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll find the interface easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this tool. Whether you're a business professional, content creator, or anyone who relies on video chats, this software adapts to your needs, offering a seamless experience that feels like second nature. The next major point is its ability to transcribe conversations accurately. Video Summarize doesn't just summarize what was said, it ensures all crucial information is captured, making it perfect for meetings, presentations, or even lectures. It's like having a personal assistant who remembers everything. But here's where it gets interesting. The software's AI learning. The more you use it, the smarter it gets at understanding your needs. It customizes its summaries based on your preferences, making the results more relevant to your specific goals. This level of personalization is rare in many AI tools, and it's a standout feature of Video Summarize. You'll also appreciate how well it integrates with other platforms. Whether you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or another video call platform, Video Summarize, AI video chat smoothly integrates to provide your summaries without disrupting your workflow. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your video summaries from anywhere at any time. Now, let's talk about its practical uses. If you're a business owner, imagine using this to quickly follow up on client calls. If you're a content creator, this AI can help you find key moments from interviews or live streams and even generate potential video clips based on the summaries. There are endless possibilities depending on what industry you're in. Finally, there's the price point. Although many high-quality AI tools can be expensive, Video Summarize offers a competitive pricing model that makes it accessible to more people. You can even test the software for free using the link in the description, so you have no risk in trying it out. As I mentioned before, you can try this software for completely free by clicking the first link below. After using thousands of AI tools, I found a handful of standout software that I recommend, and Video Summarize, AI video chat, is definitely one of them. Check out the full list in the description to find out more about other tools that might be perfect for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you make an informed decision about the best AI tools out there. Don't forget to check the links below.